Hello guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel once more. I still go by the name Mind Zone. You're highly welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're my returning subscriber, you're highly welcome to this channel. And also, I want to use this medium to thank you guys for your subscription and your likes and your share on my YouTube channel. Really appreciate that. I won't take that for granted or for anything. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. In today's video, I'll be talking about Whogohost, how you can buy your domain and how you can also host it on Whogohost. Yeah. So if you've not have an account on Whogohost, I'll leave the link below this video right now so you can create an account using my link and you will have a discount when making your first purchase on Whogohost. You will have a discount when purchasing a domain using my link, that my sign up link that I will leave in this video below. So and also, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do me well to subscribe to this YouTube channel and also like this channel and also share this channel to your social media platforms, your WhatsApp, your Facebook, and then just post them on your social media platform. That's all I need from you. So other people can also get this value that you are getting right now. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into my screen. So I will just come to my Whogohost account because I already have an account with them. So I'll just log in, which I've already done. Um, if you don't know how to create an account, you can leave that in the comment section and I'll show you how you can create an account on Whogohost. Just leave that in the comment section that I don't know how to create an account on Whogohost, but I promise you the steps are very simple and straight. It's user friendly. Yeah. So once you create your account, you've created your account, you get to this space called my dashboard. Like you've seen, Whogohost has changed its name to GO54. Yeah, formerly known as Whogohost. Um, this is what it looks like. It's still the same Whogohost we all know. All we just have to do now is to come to this space where it says register a new domain, and then you click on this register a new domain, and then you wait for it to load. So once it load here, all you just have to do is to key in the user, the website name you want to buy. Maybe your client or something, your client, your friend or colleague might say, I need a website, I need you to create a website for my business, for my glory store, my blog. So you just ask them for the name. So now what I will do, I'll just go over and then I'll type in this name. I'll just type in this name like that I want to make purchase. I already have a name, so I'll just search if this domain is available here .org, and click the search button and allow it to load. Once it load, it will show you that yes, this domain is available and .org will cost you 15,000 naira. So what you will do is just for you now to click add to chat. You add this to your chat, and then once you add it to your chat, then you click on continue. So you click on continue. So you see now domain configuration. So this is the domain. What you will need to do now is to click on this no hosting. Click to add. You click on it to add a hosting. So once I click on this now, it will bring me to a hosting page. So there are different hosting page. There's Linux, there's WordPress hosting. But most times Linux page has a low traffic bandwidth. So I'll gladly prefer if you go for the best, because the best is WordPress hosting because it's fast and it runs smoothly, well, unlike the Linux hosting, and it just costs you to 2,500 naira a monthly. And then if we look at WordPress hosting, if we check WordPress hosting now, you will see that for 2 core CPU, 2 GB RAM, it has storage of 50 GB, bandwidth of 3 websites. Yeah. So in this tutorial, I won't be going much more further with the WordPress hosting. What I will do is I will just have to go forward with the Linux hosting. I'll go forward with the Linux hosting, and I'll choose this package, this Pro for 15 GB Linux shared hosting. That's what I'll be going. So what I will just do now, I'll just click on order now. Once you click on order now, it will bring you to a page like this. It will bring you to a page like this. Yeah. So you just have to come to, I will use my existing domain because I already have a domain already. So use a domain already in my shopping cart here. I already have a domain which I'll be using. So what I will do now is I will just come over and click use. So you still wait for this to load. Okay, so this is the card summary. This is the card summary here. So Linux Hosting Pro V5, and then the invoice, then you just come here for quarter, semi-annual. Quarter now is around six months. Six quarterly is just like in 6 month time you pay this amount 10,500. So if you sum it up with the VAT fee, it will be 11,287.50. So now what I'll be doing, uh, I'll just come over to this place. You scroll down and check on all this add-on. Yeah. So spam export image security, none, you don't need that. But for site log website, if you need a site log website, it will be good if you pick one. Yeah, it will be good if you pick one also. So I won't be using much of all these. And also if you need SEO also, you can pick on SEO for this SEO tool to help you analyze your site and help your site to get more visibility. And so this is just a tutorial video. I won't be making the purchase. So this is just it. All you just have to do is to just come to this place where it's additional services. This one is for free. You can book a website design consultation. Um, if you want a free consultation on how you can build a professional website for a token, you can click that. But this is a tutorial and I won't be using that. So now all I will do now is to come to click on continue. Click on continue. Then it will bring you to where you make your payment. So this is the pro plan. I will just head over to click on continue now. It will bring you to where you make the payment. So here it is. So as hosting now, it has hosting. It has hosting now. So you just gotta come to this side and click on continue. It will take you to the shopping cart. Yeah. So if you see the total summary here, the order summary, is 38,684 naira. Yeah, so this is what it looks like, the domain and the hosting. You just come here and click checkout and make the payment, whether if it's a virtual card or a transfer. Okay, you click on I have, read and agree to the terms and conditions. You click on checkout. Once you click on checkout, it will bring you to where you make payment either by Flutterwave or Paystack. Yeah, so this Paystack. So I can just switch and rave by Flutterwave, and I'll click on pay now. Yeah, I'll click on pay now either by transfer or by my card. And see card, Google Pay, USSD, bank transfer. So I won't be making this payment because this video is just for tutorial purpose. Yeah. So now, thank you so much for coming this far on this video. So I won't be making this payment. And mind you, if you're new on Whogohost, once you come to this page, it will ask you to create a payment account. Below this place, you will see that all you need to do is to fill in your right information there, and that's it, and you're good to go with Whogohost. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Thank you, my subscribers and all my returning subscribers. You are highly welcome to this channel. So thank you so much once more, and I will say this is a wrap up of Whogohost, and I'll also leave a video above this video for you to see how you can install WordPress on Whogohost. Bye bye.